today?
Where are we going? We are going to find or figure out what paint colors we want.
You know, I have a policy on paint at my own house.
If my house is getting painted, I better be on a beach somewhere.
I dislike. My wife's told me not to use the word hate. I dislike painting with a passion. We're gonna do it ourselves, which means I'm gonna do most of it, which means I have to suck it up and become a professional painter. So, Step one, we're gonna go find some colors. I got 400 colors in mind, so we're gonna try to narrow it down to 3 and then down to probably 1, or maybe we do 2 colors, you know? There's options.
What do you think about the color of the outside of the shop?
The outside, it's gonna have to change, but it is what it is right now, and I think people won't judge us on the color, but the yellow is not my style. I'm thinking we go green. Bright green, like our logo.
Hey, yeah, there you go. Tie it in with the logo.
Yeah. What are these main lights?
There was a switch right there.
Okay. That's that one. Let's see any more lights.
Well, there's some.
I think we're gonna pull these down, clean them, and put new bulbs in it. So I think you can just put. LEDs in there. Wow.
I bet we can.
What?
I said I bet we can.
Yeah, exactly.
Maybe.
So, yeah. Honestly, I'm starting to wonder why we're painting it.
Now that we're here. It's like, here. I guess the hard part is it's this, in my opinion, it's this brown. It's the brown and the carpet with the, like the trim's fine, but I don't know. It's like a reddish brown. That's the issue. It's like red. Yeah. I don't know how
honestly, like, this blue's killing me. This blue's probably got to go.
Yep.
Yeah, maybe we do the blue in that wall.
Doing black?
Yeah. Like, are we okay with, like, the yellow? Maybe we're okay with the yellow.
That still works. That's crazy. Well, after being at the shop, has it helped you narrow down any colors or no?
It's related to the fact that I'm going to need another color for the trim. So we now have to pick 3 colors. I might just close my eyes and walk into Home Depot and just
grab samples. Get like an orange and a hot pink.
Maybe we just stand 20 feet away and throw a dart.
Yeah.
Maybe we should pick 9 and have ChatGPT design.
Yeah.
Just
take these 9 colors and give me the best
3.
combo.
Yeah. She probably knows like paint codes ever. It's a great idea. We should ask her. Wait, now that begs the question: is ChatGPT a girl?
I don't know. We'll have to ask ChatGPT.
Yeah, but what is she gonna say? Is she gonna say I'll be whatever you want to be? Is she like inclusive? What's the new one? The Google one? Is it the Google one, Grok, or is that the Twitter one?
That might be the Twitter one. Google one.
I was listening to the podcast, the Joe Rogan podcast, when he was interviewing Elon Musk
a
couple weeks ago.
Yes.
And Grok unhinged. It's pretty funny. Too much swearing for me, but pretty funny. My vote is that GPT is feminine.
Feminine.
That's my vote.
Now, why is that?
She just strikes me as too organized to be a male.
Speaking from experience.
Yeah, I don't know. It just makes me feel like I am asking her. ChatGPT Lena?
Talina.
Yeah. Yeah, that's my vote. I think she's feminine. She's female. I'm very lucky to have a few awesome employees. Well, we have got a bunch of awesome employees, but a couple of them had time today, so we're doing some painting. So come along. The goal today is to get all the walls painted and all the trim painted. So we went back and forth on colors. You'll probably see some clips of that.
Daddy, can you open this for me?
Can I open it for you? Absolutely, I can open it for you. Here you go. Oh, it's bubbling. Oh, you're fine. The trim right now is this kind of gray color. We're gonna go a little darker. After our first coat, we realized we wanted it darker. And then the rest of the walls, it's gonna be hard to see in your video, I'm sure. We're just starting over there. Sort of a gray white, it's called platinum. So it's gonna look pretty modern in here. Next week, flooring will go down. It's also a lighter gray, almost white LVP flooring. So a couple weeks of renos and then we'll be moving in here. People can get their offices set up the way they like them. Adam, I don't know if you're getting into this content, but I'm being berated. I own this place, and
you don't just go on camera and be like, they're hurting my feelings. If no one else has heard what's been going on.
That's what our generation does. So how am I'm just trying to blend in. I'm trying to be attacked and entitled, and what else do people our age do? They want equal rights.
By being privileged.
By being privileged. Yeah. So, not a privileged painter. I'm being berated.
Alright, so Adam, the video guy here, gonna give you a closeout for this video because Jordan is busy and it's a couple days later. But we got probably 75% of the painting done. And here's the conference room. We did all basically black in this room. And the project took a turn. We decided to knock out that middle wall, and so it's like this half wall that goes down and you can view the shop. I'll show you in a second here. But we decided to that we're going to remove that wall and frame it in just to give us more floor space up here. And it was a plan for the future anyways, but we just decided to do it now while we're painting, while we're doing flooring. Just makes more sense, less of a hassle later. So here's what we got going on. So this is that whole half wall. We got all the sheetrock on the outside pulled off, and then there's a portion of the wall that we have removed, and it just takes a look down into the shop. And so that gives you a gist of what's going on. And thanks for watching this video. Keep an eye out as we produce more of these videos, and again, thanks for watching.